In this short video, I will show you how to insert geometry from one mesh to another using manual techniques. These techniques might be useful if you want to connect two pieces of geometry with maximum accuracy and allows you to get more sufficient result before finishing in sculpting mode. Let's start with the completed first step that we did in the first part of the tutorial. Shortly, we selected a new piece of geometry and moved it to the surface of another mesh. The only difference for this time is that we try to put this new geometry to the surface with maximum accuracy. This will leave less artifacts after the finish. After the geometry is moved to the right position, select the bone 2 and go to the edit mode. Use Ctrl with the plus button on the numpad to select dots at the center of the spot with the new geometry mesh and increase the area of selection. Select the vertices of the bone 2 till the edges of the new geometry mesh. Please now delete selected vertices by pressing X button and after delete option in a drop menu. After that, make one polygon wide gap around the edge of the new geometry mesh. Try to eliminate all places where edges are covering each other. Also, delete all solitary triangles at the edge of the both mesh. Then you feel that creation of gap is done. Go to the object mode and select bone 2 mesh and the new geometry mesh. Press Ctrl J to join geometry into one mesh. Now, select mesh and press Tab to go to the edit mode. To fill the gap, it is a few techniques that could be used. First, the slowest one. Select 3 vertices and press F button to create a new face. Now, you see 3 vertices selected. Unselect one by pressing C button. Now you have only 2 nearby staying vertices selected. You can create quad polygons from them by pressing just F button and continue filling the gap. One more method how to fill the gap much faster. Make one more quad or 2 triangulated faces just apart from the initially created ones. After that, you will receive selected loop of vertices. After, select any edge of this enclosed area inside the gap with left mouse button and Alt at the same time. After you gain the loop, press F to fill it. After, go to the Face tab and choose the Triangulate option. To increase quality of the scene, press Ctrl with the plus button on numpad one time, and after, again, go to the Face tab and select Beautify option. Continue it all around and fill the gap completely. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Goodbye.